because in 1 minute there will be an alarm that will go off. The bot number 4 is this one, and there is an alarm that will go off now at 2 o'clock. And based on that alarm, I will get in the market short or long. The market is 6E to contract. Everything is ready. Pen and paper. This is ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT to make the bot. Okay. I have to wait like the candle close, something like that. Let's see. This short
notification, trading notification, trading notification, trading notification.
Short sale, short sale.
Order filled.
Here we go. It told me to sell a short position. Entry would be 1.15850. Okay. Stop is a sell position short. Okay. 15,890. 15,890. Okay, perfect. That is the stop loss. 15,890. Stop loss. 15,890. Let's go to the target. The target will be 15,790. Okay, there we go. But it moved very quick, the market. It moved very quick. Got my favorite $50. I supposed to get it at 850, and I got at 835. I I'm supposed to get in up here. It moved too quick. It was weird.
Trading notification, trading notification, trading notification.
Yeah, this is telling me to move to break even. Break even 58 15,850. That is technically break even. It's not actual break even because the amount of money between here to here I would lost anyway. Target 1.15790. 15790. 15790. And I moved the stop loss to what's supposed to be my entry point. Technically, this trade's supposed to give me $140. It would give me less than $140. I mean, I'm still not sure that it would go all the way down here. But anyway, come on, don't be shy. You can go down. I lost like probably here from 30. There would be $20 probably or $30. It moved very quick. It's like here. Anyway, let's see. As long as I don't go back to the stop loss, I would be happy. It's more volatile. I don't know why. Frequency at 2 a.m. I haven't seen the market like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. All this distance. Yesterday wasn't like that. Yesterday I forgot to move the stop loss to break even. Therefore I lost $100. But I went back and fixed the code and make that second alarm to go off to remind me to put the break even and to remind me when I read the 1 hour target to move the stop loss to break even. I always do 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. 1 to 1.5 is the minimum. Sometimes it's more than 1.5. I had 5 bots, but I have to retire 2 of them. They stopped being profitable. There was no way to fix them. And right now I have 3 bots. One is in Euro 6E. The other one is in S&P 500. The other one is in gold. The one in gold haven't make me any money in the last 7 days. But well, what I would do? Throw it away? No, better leave it there. I was expecting that bot in gold GC. Give me at least more than one trade a week. Profit $60. Have been crazy the amount of research that I have been doing lately in order to make more bots has been difficult to find new strategy, new edge, new setup. Let's see. I haven't found no one lately to buy some of my bots. But anyway, eventually somebody will be interested and will buy it. If not, they will give me money anyway. Let's see. Because yesterday this bot gave me 2 entrants every day, one at 2 a.m. and the other one at 10 a.m. And yesterday the one at 2 a.m. I lost. I hope don't lose today. Let's see. At least I moved the stop loss. Let's see what happened. I can only use 2 contracts because Lucid Trade, the prep firm that I'm using, allows me in this flex account $25,000 of that to use only 2 contracts during the evaluation process. That is what I have, only 2 contracts. I wish to have 4 contracts for this strategy, for this setup. And the worst part is that when I pass this evaluation phase, in the next phase, I will be able to use only 1 contract. But well, I lost money. I mean, I didn't lose money. Apex didn't pay me. I make $747 with Apex from the future. Apex didn't pay me. Now, let's check. I hope that I make money. using Lucid, and that they don't take my money away. I have to make 1,250. Right now I'm only 670, halfway there. Halfway there. It took me like a week to make $700. I have been working very hard trying to build more bots, but nothing. I use DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Claude, and Grok to do investigation and research. I'm using the paid version of GPT, $20 a month. But in the future, I'm planning to pay for Cloud and Grok probably too. Let's see. I started doing trade with bots like a week, 2 weeks ago. But the first week was kind of easy to make a couple of bots. But this last week, I haven't found any strategy. It's not that simple when you start doing backtesting. The strategy break apart. I am like 17 minutes already in this trade. Frequently, this trade don't take more than 30 minutes. In 10 minutes, probably this will finish. I wish that I had entered at 15 points earlier, but it didn't happen. I wasn't expecting like in 1 minute, 30 seconds, the market will go all the way down from where the moment that I get the alarm. I mean, the bot, the Pine script, find the setup, send the notification, and the server of TradingView send me the alarm. In the computer, the alarm pop up quicker than in the cell phone app. And it's just seconds different. It's not a big deal. The only way that can be a problem is that if you have setups that are too tight, the profit. But so far I have been lucky finding these two setups. This one with the 6E and the other one with the S&P 500. It was very close, this candle. Anyway, gotta wait. Let's see in 10 minutes. How does it look? Yeah, you see here the volume was a lot. Showing the same alarm 2 times. Okay. The volume was a lot up here. There was even a gap. The problem with this gap is that I think that when this kind of gap happen, the price tend to go up here to fill out the gap. That is a problem. That is what I bought at 1.1538 because the price went so hard down in this candle, because this is the candle that trigger the action, but always I get in this second candle, but it moves so quick and I am not happy moving that quick, and I'm not happy leaving this gap either. But anyway, this is in 1 minute frame. I don't know if those kind of things apply. But yeah, it was a big spike in volume. Still a lot of volume. Compare early, 30 minutes earlier. Stupid lateralization here. Seven minutes to be 2:30 a.m. Come on, bears, where are you? Let's push the price down. Then you can reject cleanly and beautifully, but reject down here. This recovery was better with more volume. It looks better. This recovery is weird. It's weird, but I have conviction and discipline. Let's see. The volume is not increasing as the price go up. It's supposed to go down soon. I don't know. That is just a guess. Today, when I went to bed, I was tired. Spent a lot of hours on trying testing too many strategies. It's not that difficult to find a strategy, but it's extremely difficult to find good strategy. Okay, now that one look bad. The volume is very small, but I'm close to lose the same as yesterday at 2 a.m. Let's see. Nothing is for sure till the price hit the take profit of the stop loss. Simple like that. Almost 30 minutes into the trade. Let me check the volume of that candle. Just out of curiosity. extremely close to stop loss. That is technically, yeah.
Stop filled.
There we go. It hit the stop loss. I had a loss of $47. Well, better than yesterday, because yesterday I had a loss of 110. It was exactly the same. Yesterday was a short. At 10 a.m. it was a long, and I make $115. Basically, at 2 a.m. I lost 110. At 10 a.m. I make 115. They were the only two trades that I had the chance to make yesterday. Well, let's see at 10 a.m. what the market will bring me. Bye bye, guys. Take care.